Good morning and welcome from Vintage Tractors Real Life. And oh, there's a red squirrel in that tree. Sammy, go get the birds. Go get the squirrel. Get the squirrel. Look at that red squirrel go up that tree. Wow. Yeah. Get the birds, Sam. Get the birds here. Here, get the birds. I admit, I gotta go potty. I tried to get him to do it earlier, guys. We were out here earlier in the dark, and I scratched the video because you couldn't see anything. So, I don't know where that red squirrel went. They don't like people. Yep, and had I known that was out here, I'd have got rid of it. But, okay, so, not going to be a great day. It rained last night a lot. It's going to be 48 today, which, of course, you know, a month ago, 48 was wonderful. I mean, even weeks ago, 48 was wonderful. So here's what we did, of course, yesterday. We put that charger maintainer on that battery there. See it? See it's glowing green? Normally it looks yellow, but here it looks green. Anyway, that's saying that that battery is full and that's just being maintained. And the same with this one over here. This C in the garage over here that we started yesterday. It had gotten some corrosion on that terminal last month or so. I had put the charger maintainer on it a month or so ago just to make sure it was full during the really cold spells. And when it came out yesterday, it wouldn't start. I thought, oh no, I mean, act like it wasn't getting any juice. I said, oh no. So I plugged it in till it charged fully up again. See, it's on maintain. So what I'm going to do, folks, is I am going to, I've got a couple of kitties laying there under the heat light, see, because it got cold. But I'm going to come in here and, oh, sorry, kitty. Disconnect that now on this C. Hopefully, didn't drop cold and lose connection like that and ruin that battery. That's 6-volt battery. And there, we're unplugged, so that light should go off in a minute there. There we are. So yeah, we're going to leave that go, and maybe in a couple hours we'll come out and try to start this, and hopefully it didn't wipe out the battery on this tractor. I don't think so, but you never know. I mean, you just never really know. Things happen. There, it's disconnected, so that shouldn't be discharging anything on it. Yeah, this, I don't know, 48. I think it's 1948 Alice Chalmers C. This is just the manual deck. The other one is a hydraulic deck. I personally don't mind the manual. You know, they got less to go wrong with them. And here's the front view, and this is an arrow front or tricycle. I like trikes. They've both got their places. The reason I like the trike, Sam, get going, is because you can spin them in a circle. I mean, you know, turn them on a dime. And they're not as good in a barn of wet manure or in snow or in deep mud because they'll act like a plow, you know, and they will just, they'll drag the mud and the snow and push the mud and the snow instead of sliding through it like a wide front. But so this is our morning here. We're going to get into some other things, guys. Oh my gosh, we already ran over, didn't we? All right, we're going to stop it.